Welcome back, Coinology. Have you ever looked at the loose change sitting in your pocket, a jar on your kitchen counter, or the forgotten coins hidden inside an old drawer and wondered if one of those ordinary pennies could secretly be worth a fortune? Most people walk past pennies every single day without giving them a second glance. They fall onto sidewalks, disappear beneath car seats, collect dust inside piggy banks, and often end up in coin-counting machines without anyone taking the time to inspect them. Yet history has shown again and again that some of the world's most valuable coins once looked completely ordinary before collectors discovered something extraordinary about them. That is exactly why today's story is so fascinating, because we are taking a close look at the 2004 D. Lincoln 1-cent coin, a coin that millions of Americans have handled but very few have ever truly examined. Imagine finding a single penny that could completely change your financial future. Imagine paying for a cup of coffee only to discover later that one of the pennies you received in change was actually worth an incredible amount because of a rare mistake, an unusual variety, or an exceptional condition that only a handful of collectors knew existed. Stories like these are one of the reasons coin collecting continues to grow every year. Every coin carries a story, and every tiny detail can make an enormous difference. The 2004 D. Lincoln cent was struck at the Denver Mint, which is identified by the small D mint mark found below the date on the front of the coin. While billions of these pennies were produced, not every coin left the mint exactly the same. Small differences in striking pressure, die wear, planchet quality, and manufacturing errors created unique pieces that collectors continue to search for today. Before we dive deeper into its value, let's understand exactly what this coin is. The denomination is 1 cent, making it 1/100th of a United States dollar. Although its face value is only 1 cent, its collector value depends on rarity, condition, demand, and whether it possesses any unusual characteristics. This is what separates an everyday penny from a coin that collectors may compete to own. The weight of the 2004 D. Lincoln cent is approximately 2.5 grams. This weight has been standard for Lincoln cents produced since the United States Mint changed the composition in 1982. Prior to that change, Lincoln cents were made primarily of copper and weighed around 3.11 grams. Rising copper prices forced the mint to redesign the composition, making modern pennies much lighter while still maintaining their familiar appearance. The composition consists of 97.5% zinc with a thin outer layer of 2.5% copper. Although many people still refer to these as copper pennies, the majority of the coin is actually zinc. The copper plating gives the coin its familiar reddish appearance while allowing production costs to remain lower. The diameter measures 19.05 millimeters, while the thickness is approximately 1.52 millimeters. Despite its tiny size, every fraction of a millimeter is carefully controlled during production to ensure consistency across billions of coins. The edge of the coin is plain. Unlike quarters or dimes, there are no reeds or grooves around the edge. This smooth edge has remained a characteristic of the Lincoln cent throughout its history. One of the most recognizable features of the coin is the portrait displayed on the front. The obverse features Abraham Lincoln, the 16th President of the United States. His portrait has become one of the most iconic images ever placed on American coinage. Above Lincoln's head appears the national motto, "In God We Trust." To the left is the word liberty, while the year 2004 appears on the right alongside the small D mint mark, indicating production at the Denver Mint. The reverse design of the 2004 D penny belongs to one of the longest-running coin designs in American history. It features the famous Lincoln Memorial located in Washington, D.C. Above the memorial appears United States of America, while E pluribus unum is displayed across the top. At the bottom appears the denomination 1 cent. Many people never notice one remarkable detail hidden within this design. If you look carefully inside the Lincoln Memorial between the central columns using magnification, you can actually see a tiny representation of Abraham Lincoln seated inside the monument. This makes the Lincoln Memorial cent one of the few coins in the world that depicts the same historical figure on both sides of the coin. This reverse design first appeared in 1959 to celebrate the 150th anniversary of Lincoln's birth. It replaced the earlier wheat cent reverse that had been used from 1909 through 1958. Designer Frank Gasparo created the Lincoln Memorial reverse, while Victor David Brenner originally designed Lincoln's portrait that first appeared in 1909. By 2004, Americans had already become deeply familiar with this design. Children used these pennies in school projects, businesses gave them as change every day, and millions entered circulation without anyone expecting that some examples would eventually become highly collectible. The Denver Mint itself has an impressive history. Established to help process precious metals from the western United States, it evolved into one of the busiest coin-producing facilities in the world. By 2004, advanced machinery allowed the mint to produce enormous quantities of coins every day while maintaining strict quality standards. Even so, no manufacturing process involving billions of coins is absolutely perfect. Tiny imperfections occasionally slip through inspection, creating varieties and mint errors that collectors eagerly pursue. Every Lincoln cent begins life as a blank metal disc called a planchet. Large coils of metal are fed into machines that punch out perfectly round blanks. These blanks are cleaned, heated, softened, washed, dried, and polished before moving to upsetting mills that raise a small rim around each edge. Afterward, the prepared planchets travel into high-speed coining presses where enormous pressure forces harden steel dies against both sides simultaneously. The pressure is astonishing, often reaching many tons, permanently imprinting every detail onto the coin in a fraction of a second. Once struck, coins move through counting machines, quality inspections, packaging systems, and eventually into armored transportation before reaching Federal Reserve banks and finally local banks across America. Although this process sounds simple, countless opportunities exist for something unusual to occur. A die may crack. A planchet may be improperly prepared. The striking pressure may vary slightly. Foreign material may interfere with the strike. Dies may become worn over time, producing subtle differences that experienced collectors can identify years later. These small differences are exactly why some seemingly ordinary pennies become highly valuable. When discussing the 2004 cent, one topic that attracts enormous attention is the possibility of mint errors. Collectors search carefully for doubled dies, off-center strikes, broad strikes, clipped planchets, die cracks, die chips, grease-filled dies, missing letters, rotated dies, wrong planchets, and dramatic misalignments. Imagine discovering that your penny was struck 20% off-center while still displaying the full date and mint mark. Such a coin instantly becomes far more interesting than an ordinary example. Or imagine finding a coin with a dramatic die crack stretching across Lincoln's portrait like a lightning bolt. Instead of viewing it as damage, collectors may recognize it as a fascinating mint-produced variety created when the die itself began breaking apart. Another exciting possibility involves die chips, which sometimes create raised blobs of metal on the finished coin. These are caused by tiny pieces breaking away from the die itself. Some become famous enough to receive nicknames among collectors. Grease-filled dies create another category of collectible coins. During production, grease or debris may partially fill portions of the die, preventing metal from flowing completely into certain areas. The result may be weak or even missing letters while the remainder of the coin appears perfectly normal. Collectors also inspect every 2004 penny under magnification looking for doubled lettering or unusual design elements that could indicate a doubled die variety. Genuine doubled dies occur during die manufacturing rather than during the striking process, making them especially desirable because every coin struck from that die carries the same distinctive doubling. Condition plays an even larger role than many beginners realize. A circulated penny that spent years passing through cash registers will naturally develop scratches, discoloration, and worn high points. Lincoln's hair may lose detail. The Lincoln Memorial may appear flattened. The original mint luster disappears through years of handling. On the other hand, an uncirculated coin preserved from the moment it left the mint may retain brilliant red surfaces, sharp details, and shimmering cartwheel luster that rotates beautifully under light. Collectors often pay substantial premiums for coins displaying these original qualities. Professional grading services evaluate coins using the Sheldon grading scale ranging from Poor 1 all the way to Mint State 70. A Mint State 60 coin remains uncirculated but may show noticeable contact marks. Mint State 63 generally offers stronger eye appeal with fewer distractions. Mint State 65 introduces gem quality characteristics with attractive luster and limited imperfections. Mint State 67 becomes increasingly difficult to achieve because nearly every tiny flaw affects the final grade. Mint state 68 and above are extraordinarily rare for many modern coins because preserving perfection through manufacturing, transportation, storage, and decades of survival is remarkably difficult. For this reason, even common date Lincoln cents may become surprisingly valuable when certified in exceptionally high grades. Collectors often search bankrolls hoping to discover pristine examples overlooked by others. Entire communities participate in roll hunting, purchasing boxes of pennies from banks and examining thousands of coins one by one. Most searches produce ordinary circulation coins, but every experienced collector knows that persistence occasionally rewards patience with an unexpected treasure. Some individuals have searched through hundreds of thousands of pennies before discovering a single exceptional example worthy of professional grading. That possibility, the chance that an ordinary-looking coin could become something extraordinary, is what keeps collectors searching year after year. As the years passed, the 2004 Lincoln cent continued traveling from one hand to another. It paid for groceries, school lunches, gasoline, newspapers, candy, and countless everyday purchases. Every scratch, every fingerprint, and every mark told the story of its journey through American life. While most people saw nothing more than a simple penny, experienced collectors understood that every coin deserved a closer look because no two coins age in exactly the same way. One of the greatest lessons in numismatics is that rarity does not always mean low mintage. Sometimes billions of coins are produced, yet only a tiny number survive in exceptional condition. This is exactly why grading is so important. A coin that appears ordinary at first glance may become extraordinary when examined under professional standards. Collectors carefully inspect the coin under bright lighting using magnification. They look for original mint luster flowing across the surface like spinning bands of light. They study Lincoln's cheek, jawline, beard, hair, and coat for even the slightest signs of friction. They inspect every letter in Liberty, every number in the date, and every detail surrounding the Denver D Mint mark. Turning the coin over, attention shifts to the Lincoln Memorial. The columns should appear crisp and sharp. The steps should remain clearly defined. The lettering around the rim should be complete without weakness or unusual flattening. Tiny contact marks made during transportation inside mint bags can significantly affect a coin's final grade. Many beginning collectors believe older coins are always worth more than newer ones. In reality, condition often matters far more than age. A perfectly preserved modern coin can sometimes sell for much more than a heavily worn century-old coin. This surprises many people, but it reflects how collectors value quality, rarity, and eye appeal. Another important characteristic is color. Modern Lincoln cents are classified into three basic color categories. Brown coins have lost nearly all of their original red mint color through oxidation. Red-brown coins retain a mixture of original red and darker brown surfaces. Red coins preserve most of their original brilliant copper appearance and are generally the most desirable when found in high mint state grades. Because copper-plated zinc reacts with air and moisture over time, preserving that original red color becomes increasingly difficult. Coins stored in humid environments may tone or discolor much faster than coins carefully protected in dry holders. This is why serious collectors often store valuable coins inside acid-free holders, protective capsules, or certified grading slabs. Proper storage prevents unnecessary exposure to moisture, fingerprints, dust, and environmental damage. Fingerprints deserve special attention. The natural oils on human skin can permanently alter a coin's surface. A beautiful uncirculated penny touched directly with bare fingers may develop stains years later that reduce its collector value. Experienced numismatists always hold coins by the edges whenever possible. The market for Lincoln cents continues evolving as new collectors enter the hobby every year. Online auctions, coin shows, dealer networks, and certified grading services have made it easier than ever for collectors worldwide to buy and sell coins. Information travels faster than ever before, allowing newly discovered varieties to become famous almost overnight. Some collectors focus only on completing date and mint collections. Others search exclusively for mint errors. Some specialize in high-grade registry sets, while others enjoy searching pocket change for overlooked treasures. Every collector approaches the hobby differently, but they all share one thing in common: a curiosity about the stories hidden inside ordinary coins. When discussing values, it is important to understand that the vast majority of 2004D Lincoln cents remain worth only face value or a small premium if circulated. Nice uncirculated examples may be worth a little more, while certified gem quality coins can bring significantly higher prices depending on their grade and demand. Mint error coins are a completely different category. Their values depend on the rarity and dramatic nature of the error. A spectacular off-center strike, wrong planchet error, or major die variety can sell for hundreds or even thousands of dollars, especially when authenticated by a respected grading service. From time to time, sensational stories circulate online claiming that an ordinary 2004D penny is worth an unbelievable amount of money. Headlines may mention figures such as $129 million. Claims like these attract attention because they capture the imagination of millions of people. However, such extraordinary values would require an exceptionally unique circumstance such as a one-of-a-kind mint error, historical significance, or an unprecedented auction event. There is no verified public sale of a standard 2004D Lincoln cent for $129 million. The realistic market value of any specific coin depends on its authenticity, condition, rarity, and collector demand. That doesn't mean searching is pointless. Quite the opposite. Every year collectors discover previously overlooked varieties, dramatic mint errors, and superbly preserved coins that command impressive prices. History has repeatedly proven that careful observation can lead to exciting discoveries. Imagine opening an old family coin jar that has remained untouched for 20 years. Inside are thousands of pennies collected over decades. Most will be ordinary, but perhaps one displays an unusual strike, a rare die variety, or exceptional preservation. That single discovery could make the entire search worthwhile. This is why patience is one of the greatest skills in coin collecting. Experienced collectors do not expect every coin to be valuable. Instead, they understand that finding one remarkable piece among thousands is part of the excitement. Knowledge is equally important. The more you learn about mint marks, die varieties, grading standards, and manufacturing errors, the better your chances of recognizing something special before someone else does. Even if your 2004D penny turns out to be worth only 1 cent, it still represents a fascinating piece of American history. It was created by skilled workers using sophisticated minting technology, traveled through countless hands, and became part of everyday commerce across the United States. Every coin serves as a miniature historical document, preserving the design, craftsmanship, and economic life of its era. Perhaps the greatest reward of coin collecting is not becoming rich overnight but developing the ability to notice details that others overlook. Every scratch tells a story. Every design element reflects artistic decisions made decades ago. Every mint mark connects the coin to a specific production facility. Every error reveals a rare moment when an enormous industrial process produced something unexpectedly unique. So the next time someone hands you a penny in change, don't ignore it. Turn it over. Look at the date. Check for the mint mark. Examine the design. Study the surfaces under good light. Compare it with other coins. You never know what you might discover. The smallest coin in American currency has inspired generations of collectors, historians, and treasure hunters. It reminds us that value is not always determined by size. Sometimes the smallest objects carry the biggest stories, and sometimes the greatest opportunities are hiding in places most people never think to look. Maybe somewhere, in an old piggy bank, a forgotten coffee can, a family inheritance, or a handful of loose change waiting on a dresser, another interesting 2004D Lincoln cent is quietly waiting for someone curious enough to notice it. And perhaps that someone will be you. Until that day comes, keep learning, keep searching, keep asking questions, and never underestimate the power of knowledge. Every great collection begins with a single coin, every expert was once a beginner, and every remarkable discovery started with someone who simply decided to take one more look before spending an ordinary penny. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this journey into the fascinating world of the 2004D Lincoln cent, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another story about hidden treasures, rare coins, incredible mint errors, and valuable discoveries that could be hiding in everyday pocket change. Until next time, happy collecting, stay curious, and remember, your next penny could be the one that changes everything.